Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this Lelit Espresso machine. We had to replace the pump and we also had to replace this switch here. It was not intermittently not working. And we also put one on here with a roller, and the roller is actually, I find it works a lot better than the simple button. So let's go ahead and push one. Sorry, I was missing the cup there. My cup is not quite big enough. I usually have that issue. Anyways, that took away from my crema. But pump's working well. And let's test the hot water. Sorry, the steam. Very strong steam. That's the hot water. Hot water is working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.